Ah.
Now tell him basically where the rotors are. Those rotors there, and those two there need to be adjusted.
What are you doing?
Over by the fence,
Oh, you're all wet. Ah.
where it's not
Hi,
getting.
Belly. Belle. Belle. Hi, look at you.
The drip should get the
Belle.
garden and it's not.
Where's the water?
No, but there's a brown spot by the garden, and that one goes too
Belle.
far in the bottom.
Go get the water.
On the garden.
Get the water, Belly.
The garden.
Get the water. Get the water.
By
What are you doing?
the cable pedal, so it needs to go further.
Get the water.
I don't think that one's spraying
Down the
very well
driveway.
right there, Mike. That
That's
one.
a spray.
I know, but shouldn't it spray more out to
It
the side?
sprays behind. No, it gets the spray first. It's the, you know, which is Dicey Greens.
Get the water. Where's the water? You need to do this for her more often. Belle, where's the water? Belle, go get the water.
You can see her chase the sprinklers.
Belle, go get the water.
Go showing with the